Hey guys, so welcome to the cooking vlog where I just show you guys all the meals I make during the week. Thursday today I'm making dinner for my family, so I'm really excited because I'm making steak sandwich and I love steak sandwich. My sister loves steak sandwich as well, so excited to make it, and I'm going to try and make potato fries as well. So just follow along the journey while I make these kind of foods, which I'm excited to show you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go cut this potato first. This is a sweet potato. I'm gonna wash it really nicely. I want to keep the skin on because I want it to have a crispy exterior when I'm cooking the chips. But yeah. And I'm gonna add some seasoning. So this is garlic powder, pepper, paprika, and I'm gonna add some starch as well. Okay, so now we're gonna be cutting the avocado up because we are gonna be using mashed avocado in this steak sandwich because my sister loves avocado. We're using the spoon to scoop everything out. Guys, good morning. So today I'm going to be making some pizza. I'm really excited about. I'm making about like 4 or 5 different pizzas today for lunch and dinner for my family. So let's go make pizza together.